Straight line. It is an endless one-dimensional figure that has no width. It is a combination of endless points joined on both sides of a point. A straight line does not have any curve in it. It can be horizontal, vertical, or slanted. If we draw an angle between any 2 points on the straight line, we will always get a 180 degree. What is a straight line? A straight line is an infinite length line that does not have any curves on it. A straight line can be formed between 2 points also, but both the ends extend to infinity. A straight line is a figure formed when 2 points A, x sub 1 and y sub 1, and B, x sub 2 and y sub 2, are connected with the shortest distance between them, and the line ends are extended to infinity. Types of straight lines. Straight lines can be of various types. Generally, the straight lines are classified based on their alignment. Their alignment refers to the angle they form with the x-axis or the y-axis. According to the alignment of straight lines, they are the following types: horizontal lines, vertical lines, or slanted lines.
Properties of a straight line. A straight line has infinite length. We can never calculate the distance between the two extreme points of the line. A straight line has zero areas, zero volume, but it has infinite length. A straight line is a one-dimensional figure. An infinite number of lines can pass through a single point, but there is only one unique line that passes through 2 points. Equation of a straight line. An equation of a straight line is a linear equation. A straight line on a Cartesian plane can have different representations based on the known variables, angles, and constants. The slope of a straight line determines the direction of a straight line and tells how steep the line is. It is calculated as the difference in y coordinates or difference in x coordinates, which is also called rise over run. General equation of a straight line. The general equation of a straight line can be given as ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b, c are constants and x and y are variables. The slope is negative a over b. Slope and y-intercept form. A straight line having slope m equals tan theta, where theta is the angle formed by the line with the positive x-axis, and y-intercept as b is given by 1 equals mx plus b, where m is the slope. Slope point form. A straight line having slope m equals tan theta, where theta is the angle formed by the line with the positive x-axis and passing through a point x sub 1 and y sub 1 is given by slope point form as y minus y sub 1 equals m, open close parenthesis, x minus x sub 1. 2-point form. A straight line passing through points, open close parenthesis, x sub 1 and y sub 1, and open close parenthesis, x sub 2 and y sub 2 is given by the 2-point form as y minus 1 sub 1 equals, open close parenthesis, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over, open close parenthesis, x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times, open close parenthesis, x minus x sub 1. Intercept form. A straight line having x-intercept as a and y-intercept as b, where point A is on the x-axis and point B is on the y-axis. Equation of lines parallel to x-axis or y-axis. The equation of a line parallel to the x-axis is given by y equals plus minus a, where a is the distance of the line from the x-axis. The value of a is plus ve if it lies above the x-axis, and n minus ve if it lies below the x-axis. The equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is given by x equals plus minus b, where b is the distance of the line from the y-axis. The value of b is plus ve if it lies on the right side of the y-axis, and minus ve if it lies on the left side of the y-axis. Below is the image of lines parallel to the x-axis and the y-axis respectively. Types of slope. The angle formed by a line with a positive x-axis is the slope of a line. Different lines forms different angles with the x-axis. A line can have slopes varying from positive, negative, 0, or even infinite slope. Zero slope. If a line forms at 0 degrees angle with the x-axis, the slope of the line is 0. The slope of a line is represented by m equals tan theta. Here, theta equals 0 degrees. Hence, m equals tan 0 equals 0. Therefore, a line with a 0 slope is a parallel to the x-axis. Positive slope. If a line forms an angle that lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees with the x-axis, the slope of the line is positive. Negative slope. If a line forms an angle that lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees with the x-axis, the slope of the line is negative. Infinite slope. If a line forms at 90 degrees angle with the x-axis or the line is parallel to the y-axis, the slope of the line is not defined or infinite.
Important notes. A straight line cannot pass through three non-collinear points. If two lines L and M coincide, they follow the relation L is equal to K times M, where K is a real number. The acute angle theta between two lines having slopes m sub 1 and m sub 2, where m sub 2 is greater than m sub 1, can be calculated using the formula tan theta is equal to m sub 2 minus m sub 1 all over 1 plus m sub 2 times m sub 1.